Today, I have selected 7 clips from just one interview that was released by Time. And then we will see other 2 clips from another kind of interview. And now, let's watch it.
I came out with a card which absolutely levels the playing field. I think people should have a card that is better than cash.
First thing, very important. Now we are talking about voice and business. How much voice is important in business? And obviously, Susie represents very well a woman in business. The word that is very clear in this very short clip is level. Can you hear the sound? Level. What does it mean? It means that she's a woman that works in levels. What does it mean? That she is always available to understand the level of the people, right? She can reach people and she's able to start from the bottom and reach the top. It's very clear. And for her, it's very important to have a starting market level, and especially something that can change the system. So this word, this moment, she's very good expressing level. So enlarge the word to let the people understand what is important for her. You get the meaning? Subscribe to the channel and like the video.